Today we are unboxing the Soundcore Liberty wireless Bluetooth headphones that claim to have up to 100 hours of playtime. Now these were purchased off of NewEgg, factory refurbished. You can tell it looks like that the packaging is kind of slightly beat up, but we'll go ahead and let's open this up. Well, and apparently it is actually blinking at us. I don't know if you can see that. But, yeah, that's actually blinking at me, and I have not turned it on intentionally or anything. So I'll go ahead and take this out. And I guess go ahead and stick them in this charging case. That's cool, they're magnetic. There we go. And go ahead and close it up. Let's see what else is in here. Alright, so we've got different size earpieces, it looks like here. Yep. And some silicone covers of some sort, it looks like. And then a USB cable and some instruction manuals and warnings. I don't see anything that it includes the charger itself, so it might just be just the cable. Yep. So that's all it actually comes with here. So it does not come with a USB charger at all. But since it is USB, it charges off of 5 volts, so you can pretty much just plug it into any charger that you already have, or even your computer. And that is it for unboxing these Bluetooth earbuds. So if you like this video, go ahead and slap that like button now, and also if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click on subscribe and click on the notification bell so you won't miss a beat, and I'll catch you in the next one.